How to unbox and set up the HP Neverstop Laser 1000, MFP 1200, and HP Laser NS 1020, MFP 1005 printer series. Open the box and then remove the input tray cover, input tray, and the USB and printer power cords. Remove and then open the packet of printer documents. Take the printer out of the box. Remove the end caps. Remove the plastic bag from around the printer. Remove all tape from the top, front, and rear of the printer. Lift the scanner and then lift the top cover. Remove the piece of tape connected to the orange handle and toner reload port, and then pull the orange handle to remove the black sheet from the printer. Lower the top cover and scanner. Remove the input tray from the plastic and then slide it into the printer until it snaps into place. Load paper into the input tray and then adjust the guides so they touch the edge of the stack. Remove the input tray cover from the plastic and then install it above the input tray. Plug in the printer using the supplied power cord. The printer turns on automatically. Finish setting up your HP Neverstop by visiting 123.hp.com on your computer or mobile device.